Another project of the week is going to be a 2024 Kia Carnival. Stick around. Welcome to the Modern Professional Polishers Academy, where we answer daily questions, give you tips and tricks, and motivation to help you navigate the world of paint correction. Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Smitty with the Pro Polishers Academy, where we help paint correctors like you turn your systems into consistency by moving you through the learning curves faster, utilizing formulas that work without fail. I'm Smitty, and I'll be your lead instructor. Let's get into it. So alongside the BMW X3, we also had this 2024 Kia Carnival come in. This owner drove in from Greensboro. He's been following our work for a long time now, and he wanted to bring his vehicle here because he knew he would get the right treatment on it. We did a full decontamination on this one. This one was pretty dirty by the time I got here. He had about 100 plus miles on it just getting here, and from transit I can tell it was on the back of a truck. Facing the wind, there were bugs all over the back of the vehicle, so we had a lot to remove. There was a lot of residue from adhesive, from all the protection that goes on the vehicles from the factory, so there was just a lot of cleaning up to do on this vehicle. So once we got done with the decontamination, we had a few swirls to remove. So we did a one-step paint correction on it to make that paint as clear as possible and make that metal flake pop like it should. And man, this vehicle looks really good. This is my first time really seeing one of these up close, and of course first time working on one, so it looks really awesome. Once we finished with the paint correction, we did OptiCoat Pro Plus as well, so that it can have a nice 7-year warranty along with that deep gloss from the 2-part coating. The wheels, the glass, headlights, taillights, everything on the exterior is coated, and man, this vehicle really looks good. When the vehicle was ready, the owner came in on the Amtrak, and I went and picked him up from the station in his new clean ride, and check out what he thought about it as he was inspecting the work. What you think, man?
First got it, obviously following Modern Pro Polish on social media and how he does his light test. Hold on.
Oh, here he is.
Obviously unscripted. So I said, let me look at the swirls on the vehicle, and I can actually see the swirls.
Yeah.
But now that I get it,
She ought to be clean.
And so this man obviously does his thing. That's why we traveled from Greensboro down to Fayetteville to get it done. And it just, yeah, it's so clean. He got rid of the rocks on the tire. But it's like, look at the reflection. It's so, look, what's the word? I don't even want to put it on the road. So y'all make sure y'all book with Modern Pro Polish. Come from wherever you are in the state of North Carolina. You can even have it shipped. I'm sure he'll take care of it.
Absolutely.
But
he can come from out of state too.
hey, listen. Now obviously I'm gonna look all around it. But
Go right
what
ahead.
I see right now is I'm happy. I'm glad we made the investment.
All right, so that's the end of that project. It looked really good. I wish I got a little bit more footage of it, but the day was moving pretty quick and he had a 2.5-hour drive to get back. I'm glad he was excited. I love seeing the customer's reaction at the end of the job. So all this work was worth it, and I cannot wait for the next one to come in. So for all my private clients, if you need anything done to your vehicle, you can find us at 706 Hope Mills Road in Fayetteville, North Carolina. And if you're out of town, we'd love to have you drop it off on the weekend and pick up the next weekend. And you can also ship your vehicle to us. We can help you set up the arrangements for transport. And if you're within an hour radius of us, we'll come and pick it up from you ourselves, no problem. To all my paint correctors, we'll see you next time. The paint is waiting on you. Peace.
Hey guys, real quick, I want to tell you about our business transition program, where we take anybody who's looking to get into paint correction, whether you're already doing general detailing or you're ready to transition from your white collar, blue collar, military, school career, whatever the case might be, we're going to transition you into paint correction. If you're looking to go from a little bit of detailing experience into full-blown paint correction or zero experience at all, I'm going to show you how to go from a little bit of money to to a lot of bit of money. We'll show you how to go from 0 to 5 figures or 0 to 6 figures, whatever it is that you're looking to do, I can show you how to do it. But it's not just teaching you how to run a machine. Anybody can run a machine, and a lot of us grew up in a garage. That's not the holdup. The holdup is knowing the business part, knowing how to set up a website, how to talk with your customers, knowing the verbiage of the industry that you're in. You have to know these things in order to succeed and grow and scale something that's going to have a foundation that'll be around forever. How to build a brand, how to get the corporation or the LLC, how to offer financing to your customers. All of this stuff that's taken me years to figure out, we're going to offer it to you. So we have a tier 1 and a tier 2 program, guys, and tier 1 is including in-house training. If you want to come in for a week, you can come in for a week. I'll put my stamp of approval on you. Or if you want to go tier 2 and just stay online, that's cool too. It's a lifetime experience. I'm very excited to finally be able to offer this. You'll be, like I always say, getting around those learning curves fast, super fast in this case, because it's taken me, again, years to get here, guys. And just being able to offer financing changes the game for somebody who's either been in business for some time or looking to get into this business. Guys, if you're ready to go to the next level, this is only for the serious people now. Hit that link below, check out the free masterclass on the business transition program. We'll see you next time. The paint is waiting on you. Peace.